Hey everyone, in this video we will make barbecue sauce, a staple in many kitchens in the US. Ever need some barbecue sauce and you find that you're all out? Okay, I promise I'll never use that sound again. In this short video, I'll show you a simple recipe to make a quick base barbecue sauce using ingredients you most likely have at home. You can have it ready in as little as 5 minutes, but ideally 15 to 30 minutes on low heat would allow for the flavors to blend in better. You'll need these kitchen staples for the equivalent of 1 bottle of bare bones basic barbecue sauce you'd find in stores. Stay to the end to see how you can easily step this up a few ways and even make a copycat version of one of the most popular sauces out there. But for the basics, you need ketchup, mustard, vinegar, brown sugar, and pepper. See the screen or the text below this video for the ratios I used for about 1 bottle worth of sauce. To begin, put all ingredients in a pot over medium heat. Stir the ingredients until everything looks blended in, which should be a few minutes. Cover and let that cook on low for about 5-10 minutes, checking and stirring occasionally. You should see some bubbles popping up in the sauce. If there's a consistent bubbling, remove the lid. Give a good final stir for a minute or so, and you can use this immediately. However, if you're not in a rush, set heat to low and let that simmer, stirring occasionally. Around 15 to 20 minutes on low heat, the sauce should be well blended. Give it a final stir for a minute or so, and you're done. You can use this immediately, or you can put the sauce in a sterilized glass jar or container and let cool at room temperature for about an hour. Then place in the fridge to use within a week or so. Now, if you want to step this recipe up a notch or two, here are a few suggestions. You can also add the following to the base ingredient list to add heat, sweetness, tanginess, and other flavors: liquid smoke, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne or other chili powders, honey or molasses, pineapple juice. I would experiment starting with only a teaspoon of the powders and liquid smoke, and maybe a 1/4 cup of the other stuff. You can experiment with each of these, or you can go all out and mix all these additional ingredients in. The pineapple juice is an ingredient used in the popular Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, so if you experiment with this, you can get a sauce that comes close. Barbecue sauce can be a fun way to make something of your own, so I hope that you use this as a guideline and in time make something that is uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this video and learned something, please click on the like button, and of course comment with your thoughts and any ingredients you like to use in your sauce. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and click on the bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.